friends? Here we are going to describe the story, A Letter for Me. A Letter for Me. See here there is a boy named Ashok. He is writing the letter on an envelope. He is writing a letter. Yes, you are able to see there is a table and there is a lamp on the table, a study lamp, and he is writing the letter, and there is a cover, and there is a window. You are able to see the window beside him, and you are able to see a coconut tree outside the window, and there is a curtain, and you are able to see some more houses outside. So my dear friends, this is a description of the diagram. The boy is writing a letter. This is a very important thing. Letter writing is one of the very important skill which every one of us have to learn. And he wants to develop the skill of letter writing. So he started writing a letter to himself. This is a very important thing. He is not writing letter to anybody. He is writing letter to himself. And after writing the letter to himself, he just kept the letter in the envelope and he went to the post office. When we were young, there used to be post office with a red color post box outside. Went to the post office and he dropped the letter in the post box. And his friend asked, "What is there in the letter? What is the letter talking about?" Then Ashok is saying, "Still I did not get the letter yet." See, he wrote the letter, but what the answer he has given? "Still I didn't get the letter yet to my house." So my dear friends, this is a very important skill. Please try to develop the skill of letter writing. Please see that your letter writing skills develop day to day as you keep practicing. Practice more and more. Describe the letter. This is a very important skill. Please try to use this skill. You also try to write a letter to yourself. Putting all the kinds of activities that you are doing, you are going to do, you are willing to do, you are not satisfied with, what all the aspects that you want to maintain, you just discuss in your letter. Thank you.
Next class, let us discuss about the story A Letter for Me. Okay, what is the name of the story? A Letter for Me. Okay, let us analyze the picture first. What do you see in the given picture? We see a boy sitting in front of the table and he is holding a pen in his hand and he is writing something, right? What he is writing? He is writing a letter. What he is writing? He is writing a letter. For whom he is writing? He himself. For himself. He is writing the letter. Okay. So that's why it was given as a letter for me. The boy himself writing the letter. The boy is writing the letter for himself. Okay. And beside the boy there is an envelope. Okay. In olden days, most of them used to write the letters to their friends, to their relatives, and to their parents, those who live in the hostels, etc. But nowadays, people are simply texting the messages, right? They send the messages, whatever the occasion it may be, whether it may be a wedding or whether it may be a birthday party or whatever it is. Okay, simply if they want to send the invitation or if they want to send any kind of information, simply they text to the cell phones. But in this story, this boy is writing a letter. Okay children, now all of you turn your paper. He wrote the letter and now he is posting here. What is this? This is called as a post box. Okay, in front of the school there is a post box and he wrote a letter and he is posting inside the post box. Now let us see the story. Ashok wrote a letter to himself. What is the name of the boy? Ashok. He wrote a letter to himself. He himself writing the letter. He put the letter into an envelope. Envelope is a cover. After writing the letter, we put that letter into an envelope, okay, and we cover it and we paste it and wrote his name on it. What did he write? We write an address on the envelope. So Ashok, he wrote his name itself on the envelope. He put it in the post box near his school. There is a post box near his school. What is the name of the school here? National High School. Okay. Beena asked Ashok, what does the letter say? What did you write in the letter? She was asking. This is Beena, Ashok's friend. She was asking, what does the letter say? What did you write in the letter? Ashok said, I don't know. I haven't got the letter yet. So actually the boy himself wrote the letter, but until he got the letter, he does not want to reveal the information. Okay, now let us see the exercise part. Ashok wrote a letter to Beena or himself? Ashok wrote a letter to himself. Okay, second one, Ashok wrote or drew his name on the envelope? He wrote his name on the envelope. Envelope is the cover. Okay, third one, the post box was near his house or school? The post box was near his school. Okay, next, fourth one, Beena asked, what does the letter answer or say? The letter say. Fifth one, Ashok said, I haven't got the letter or post box yet. Ashok said he haven't got the letter. Okay, next all of you turn your papers. Let us match the words along with the pictures. First one is post box. Where is the post box? See, this is the post box. Envelope. This is the envelope cover. Next, write. See, he is writing something. What he is writing? He is writing a letter. Letter. Where is the letter? See, this is the letter. Okay, next, school. This is the school. Okay. Now, let us discuss some new words that we come across in the given story. Okay. First one is Ashok. What is the name of the boy in the given story? Ashok. What he is writing? He is writing a letter. For whom he is writing? For himself. Ashok is writing a letter to himself. And next, fourth one, envelope. Okay, after writing the letter, where did he put that letter? Inside the envelope. Envelope, it is a cover. Next, fifth one, post box. Okay, next, sixth one, school. Where is the post box? In front of the school. Okay, next, seventh one, near. Eighth one, yet. Ninth one, answer. 10th one, haven't. Short form of have not. Have not is haven't. Okay, children. Now, I request you all to note down the same words in your answer book and practice reading and writing. Thank you all.